Bitcoin is scratching again on the lower end of our bigger resistance zone here. And the question is, will we finally break through that and go over $25,000 and go back into a bull market, or will we see further rejection and go here to the downside? That is something that we have to talk about today. So definitely make sure to stay here until the end of the video and that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to never miss out on these important updates. And now let's get directly into the Bitcoin chart. So here on the daily chart, we can clearly see that Bitcoin is running here all the last couple of days into this resistance area here of 23,000 all the way up to 23,300, and it looks like that Bitcoin is not able to break through this level here. So on the other hand, when we are looking at the support is sitting at $21,886 right now. So even if we get trapped here a little bit, eventually we're gonna go to the upside and break this resistance area. So when we look on the lower time frames, when we go here to the 30 minutes, for example, then we can see that we have here a rising wedge on the 30 minutes, and of course that is for the immediate short term a little bit bearish. So the target would be again $22,460, which gives us an opportunity to scalp short this to the downside. If we break 22,880, then we have a $400 spread to trade this to the downside. So now when we look at this, let's make it like this. Then you see there is here a 2.86 risk to reward ratio to take the trade. So the stop loss would be here $23,030. The entry would be at $22,880 all the way down to the technical target here. So if we break to the downside, of course, this can also go the other way, because we have here on the 1 hourly time frame still our bull flag. So with a technical target all the way up here at, let's see, where is it? 25, yeah, almost $25,000. Let's say for the number's sake, it's $25,000. Also here in the 1 hourly, the stochastic is still bullish. Also here the MACD is about to flip bullish. So that's why I believe we can still go here all the way up to $25,000 and basically invalidate here this rising wedge. So if we do so and go here above and close the hourly candle above that level of $23,100, there we can open a long position all the way up to the technical target of $25,000 approximately. Also here again, if I measure this move, and let's say I put here my stop loss, so here we have a 5.63 risk to reward ratio, which is really good. So that means if I put in $100, I have the chance here to basically make on an 8% move, only with 10x leverage, $800. So why would you not take that? You know, I know my math was wrong there. Sorry, I'm not good with numbers today. So, but the key takeaway is that with that's what I was getting at. So your chances to win are 5 times higher than you actually lose. So, and that is definitely worth taking that trade if we get here to this price level. So every time when the risk to reward ratio is 3 times higher than losing it, in my opinion, it's worth to take the trade. And here it's almost double that. So that's definitely a good trade setup. So the stop loss is sitting here at 22,770-ish. With an entry at $23,100 as mentioned. Guys, don't forget, if you want to trade with me together, do that on BYBIT. There you still get the highest bonus available. It's also, in my opinion, the most safest exchange out there. You only get this with this specific link, and also Bitget $20,000 absolutely for free, also only for using my specific link here in the pinned comment and in the description below. So now when we go to the 4-hourly chart, that is what you saw on the thumbnail. So we are about to see an insane big move here for Bitcoin, because the Bollinger Band is squeezing, and every time when we see a squeeze, we see a huge breakout either to the upside or to the downside. So here, of course, we have another 6 hours and 40 minutes to hit the bottom of the stochastic RSI. I would not say that in that time I expected a massive move to the downside for Bitcoin, more like sideways. And once the stochastic has resetted, we could see another leg to the upside on the stochastic, and of course also in the price action to break here bullish in direction of $25,000 approximately. Guys, that's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.